Welcome back, guys. So what happened so far is this is our team, the DRTS responsive block team that we have created in our previous videos. Now I'm going to show you what the end result is after some custom work with Slider Revolution, with WP Forms, with Elementor Pro. So I'm going to show you the final result of the website at the moment. There it is. So I open, we have a lovely menu here. We have some effects, we have our text here. Everything is very dynamic, very functional. This is me in my uniform from my other workplace and my main one, which is emergency medicine. My primary education is medicine, and then specialty in emergency medicine, subspecialty in obs and gynae emergency medicine and pediatric emergency medicine, and then I have another specialty, another university degree from Wheaton Show, which is about human nutrition. And after that I went into programming, so I can combine all this and create some lovely websites, also some lovely web applications for health related projects. Before we go on to our theme, you're going to see that we have only one page. Everything is a special module that I use from the Slider Revolution, but you can do it custom, and I'll show you how to do it custom right now with a simple, very simple pop-up which I've already created with my Elementor Pro. So if I go to templates and pop-ups, I have this website request form pop-up, then I'll have a ticket form that we will need basically to do. So let's go back to appearance, let's go back to theme. We have the theme file editor which we can use because it will be like much simpler and easier to use. You can see the code that we have written. This is our functions PHP. That's where we can put all the custom functions. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do shortly. Let me just continue with the website. So now what I want to do is when I click on here, contact me today, I want another pop-up window like this to come up, and it's all at the same page rather than opening separate pages for everything. So for that particular reason, and right with you right now, I am going to show you how I will write a custom function in our functions PHP file, so we can actually open a separate pop-up, and we can have like a nice closing button here, so it can go back to the normal self. Also, when someone clicks here, this underlining as well, I want to open this particular pop-up. And what else is pending is just to create a nice footer in the bottom, which I'm gonna do, and then you will see the results. Right, let's go to work now. Let's start our work process now, and let's do the custom function. For that particular reason, I'll come over here. I will click a few lines down the line so I can have some more space to write the coding, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. Let me zoom in so you can see better. Right, let's start with defining a function which we will call Elementor popup. We can replace this particular code 112. Let's save now and see what's happening. Let me just zoom out again. Let's update the file. Oh, we have a syntax error, unexpected token. Let's see where it is. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Let's see if this will be solving our problems. And let's see. Oh, we have the same error. Right, let's try a different approach. And let's copy paste this function here, but before that let's close the tag. Let's move our function from here into there. So we have one bracket here that is not closed, so we're going to close it now. We're going to delete this one. We will start with PHP function. So I've added some indentation to see if this will solve our problem, but there is another problem because I've created another function here. So I need to put this function here. I need to call it in the add action over here. Perfect. Let's go back to our custom slider now. So we have the contact as DRTS, we have some pictures here downloaded from Pixabay. Let's go back to our team files and see if we need to edit a little bit here. So let me just add the rows again so I can zoom the screen properly. So it will be a very good idea if we add an event listener to the document add, and we'll do the event listener, which we will put as then we can move this whole function here over there. Need to put the indentation. Now we need to delete this one and leave the script. Now let's attach the click so it can listen and do the click. So we will do the var. We start with var span element will be document.query.selector. Also is span. We'll use our favorite custom CTA, which is like call to action, CTA call to action. Right, so if let's say where we are at the moment. So we've added the whole event listener. Can you see where this bracket starts and where can you see where this bracket finishes here? Right, so we've managed to update the file. There are no visible errors in our team at the moment. So let's see how the things will be going from now on. So we will use our custom CTA. So we are going to change our span text, our call to action actually. This one we are going to change it a little bit. Trigger will be on click. Okay, now it's appearing. The pop-up is appearing, but let's see. With contacts, we directly open this one, which is perfect. It's done. The pop-up is opening at the moment. Actually, let me just see if I can edit it a little bit. Let's make it this way, looks fitter. Alright, let's close it, let's update it, let's reload and see what's happening on this one. Let's reload and see. So let's see if I click here, comes up, if I click here, comes up. I click here, comes up. Now let's reload. Let's say send Thanks, someone will be in touch with you shortly. Perfect, then we can either click here or just close. I will very quickly go through all the sliders and change the codes to them so they can actually come up here and they can be clickable and open the actual form. Perfect. Let's keep it like this. Let's copy paste, and now we are going to transfer it to all other sliders. Now we should expect, when I click here, the form opens. However, I have just added the same script to be activated on the About Me page, so on the Get in Touch. There it is. Or I'll actually remove the Get in Touch from here and I'll apply it somewhere else where I can just say, like, put another custom menu line that will say, like, request an offer or request a website design or something like this. But I'll show you these changes another time because I want to go and eat some chicken now and I'm very tired. I was working absolutely like crazy on this website so I can make it so beautiful with all the custom slides, which I promise I will show you how to work with this one in another time. Stay safe, look after yourself, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Cheers.